Ever since Ishan launched Food to Go, his family and friends have been super supportive. His grandparents are particularly proud of him, even though they don't quite understand what the food tech industry really is all about. They want to encourage Ishan by investing in Food to Go for a few years. They plan to give him $10,000 now and then $5,000 every year for 3 years. They don't expect anything in return, but Ishan wants to treat them as he would treat other investors and tells them that they should expect a return on their investment. To find out what their expected payout is, Ishan uses the FV function. Take a look at its syntax. Now let's reference the parameters for this function. Start with the rate of return that Ishan has conservatively estimated at 8%. This time, we don't need to divide it by 12 since the return will be compounded annually. Next, click the value for investment period, which is similar to our loan term, followed by the annual investment amount and then the initial investment amount. We end up with a negative expected payout. Why? Because once again, we forgot that the initial investment and yearly investments will be cash outflows from Ishan's grandparents' perspective and must therefore be negative. That's better. Given this investment plan, the grandparents will enjoy a total expected payout of about $28,000. Now, if we want to calculate the capital gain they will enjoy on this investment, we can use a simple subtraction formula. From the expected payout value, we need to subtract the total investment, which is the initial investment plus the amount invested annually for 3 years. So we multiply this by 3. Remember to follow the order of operations and insert brackets correctly. Ishan's grandparents will enjoy a capital gain of close to $4,000. That's awesome, and they will be so excited to hear this, especially because they weren't expecting anything. Wow, we've really covered a lot in terms of using Excel to solve time value of money problems. Now it's time to practice using financial functions yourself with a mini challenge.